Homonyms are words that sound the same but have different meanings and spellings. Here are three common ones: there, and there. There refers to a place or location. For example, you could say, I put my book over there on the shelf. There is a possessive pronoun that shows ownership. It's used to describe something that belongs to more than one person. You could also use it to describe something that belongs to just one person if you don't know this person's gender or want to avoid saying him or her. For instance, you might say, their team won the football competition last year. Finally, there is a contraction of they are. You can think of it as combining two words into one. For example, they're going to the park this weekend means the same thing as they are going to the park this weekend. Now, let's use all three homonyms in one sentence. They're going to meet their friends over there by the big tree. Now you know the difference. Why not try using them in a sentence of your own?